Mabuhay Manila, this is Miguel from ManilaShaker.com, and today we have another device that has been modified to make our daily lives easier. In here, I have the Licheers Mini Vacuum Cleaner, a portable cleaner that is great for your house or cars. Now let's find out if this device will ease our cleaning time or will it just give us a hard time. Let's go. Right off the box, the first thing you'll see is the main motor and handle, with the dust filter and bin already attached. Next are the accessories such as the multifunctional nozzle with a small brush tip, and the charger cable is a USB-A to DC 5.5mm cord. Lastly is the instruction manual, and that's it. Now going to the parts and function of this device, first off is the main vacuum itself, which is a gun-like shaped motor and handle. The motor has a strong suction power of 3500 PA. This vacuum runs on a 2200 mAh battery, and it is cordless and very portable. It is also quite handy since it doesn't have much weight to it. The dust bin is made out of transparent twistable plastic. This bin measures 0.5 liters in volume, which means it has a big room for dust and dirt. It also has a wide vacuum cleaner mouth for a wider collection of dirt. Inside is the dust filter that catches all the small dust particles and dirt. This also prevents the collected dust from entering the motor to avoid damage. The multifunctional nozzle is a long slim plastic that is made for reaching in narrow spaces, which means that the suction power is more concentrated. It also has a brush tip that you can attach to the nozzle so you can sweep dust and dirt to help you clean more efficiently. Again, the charging cable is a USB-A to DC 5.5mm cord. The USB-A port has a longer build to it and is also made out of transparent material because this is where you will see the charging status of the device. It will light red as soon as you charge it and green when it's fully juiced up. As for the DC 5.5mm port, you will plug it on the bottom of the vacuum's handle for it to charge. Now let's get this mini vacuum running. Because of its gun-like shape, the power button is like a trigger as well. The power button has a silver round shape, and above it is a small LED light that lit up whenever you turn on the vacuum. And as you can hear, it is a bit loud for a small vacuum like this. However, the power of the motor does not disappoint. The power suction of this vacuum is quite amazing since it can collect and remove dust pretty quickly. I tried testing its full capacity, but the thing is, this vacuum can collect a bit of bigger dirt or dust, like twigs, rock pebbles, since the mouth of the dustbin has a rubber blocker to prevent bigger specks of dirt from entering. So I guess this device is really just made for cars and desk tables of your offices and rooms. However, if you're just going to clean dust, cigarette ashes, crumbs on tables, and smaller specks of dirt, you will have no problem using it at all. The multifunctional nozzle with its brush is also a big help, especially to narrow spaces like windows, car seats, or even your keyboards. This makes the suction power of the vacuum more concentrated and focuses more on the surface that you really want to clean. Using this device in cleaning the inside of your computer CPU makes it a lot easier since there are a lot of tight corners inside that can't be reached by cloths or regular brushes. After using it, don't forget to throw away collected dust and clean the dust filter. Simply twist the dust bin to open it and remove the dust filter. Clean the dust filter by brushing off excess dust and dirt, or you can wash it with water if you like, so you won't have to change it every now and then. This mini vacuum cleaner can last for 15 minutes if fully charged. Again, to charge it, plug in the DC 5.5mm port to the bottom of the handle and plug the USB-A into an adapter or USB port of a computer. It usually takes 1 hour to fully charge the device. One concern that I have is that it doesn't have any indicators if it has a low battery power. It will just automatically shut down once it is drained out. All in all, the Licheers Mini Vacuum Cleaner does give an excellent job for its purpose. Again, I would suggest using this only in cars and desk tables, and not for household cleaning since it cannot collect bigger specks of dust and dirt. There's nothing too extravagant in this device, but you can't question its cleaning ability since it delivers the job pretty well. The price of this mini vacuum cleaner starts at 795 pesos in the Lazada app. I will put the link in the description box below so you can check it out. And that's it! What do you guys think about the Licheers Mini Vacuum Cleaner? Please comment on it down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so you can be updated when we drop videos like this. Again, this has been Miguel from ManilaShaker.com. Please visit our website for more tech news, reviews, and the comparison of the latest device. Mabuhay Manila!